We're making another keto favorite meal, and what we're doing is we're taking mushrooms and we start at the stump here, and we're going to roll this bacon around loosely, careful not to stretch the bacon, and we're going to measure it and we're going to cut it off there. Now we're going to hold this here, start it with a toothpick, but only go into this, don't come out the other side. Now you can pull the bacon tight and snug and stretch it. And now you shove your toothpick, carefully don't stab your fingers, they're pretty pointy, all the way through the stump like that on both sides. And then we're going to lay this mushroom cap up the best we can on a cookie sheet, and we're going to bake them in the oven until the bacon's crisp. Nice keto snack or hors d'oeuvre. Bacon wrapped mushrooms. Okay, here's our bacon wrapped mushrooms. Don't they look delicious? Don't they look delicious? Look at that. Nice keto snack or hors d'oeuvre. Pair this up with the bacon wrapped chicken breast in my other video and you got a nice keto meal. You like your bacon a little more crisp, you could cook it part way first or crank the heat up in your oven about 475. Bacon wrapped mushroom.